That's linked.
No, it's not.
Ah! So I had the method then?
No.
Oh. Right.
Not linked, yeah?
Yeah.
Hold that still.
Yeah.
Hold that still.
Yeah.
Watch this. Hold tight.
Yeah.
Linked.
That method is crazy. Oh!
Look at that.
Oh my god, and it's actually linked.
It's actually linked. Howdy, howdy, howdy. Welcome back to another episode of Fuller, and today I'm performing Spring by Joonas Mengel to my wife, Kayleigh. What's great about today's video that I think you're all going to love is that not only do I perform this with her multiple times, allowing her to examine everything to her heart's content, but I'm also going to show you her reaction to learning how good and how devious this method is. By the way, if you haven't done so already, do me a solid favour, hit that big fat subscribe button right down below, and if you're feeling extra generous, ping the notification bell so you'll be the first person to see the brand new uploads. And as always, if you would like to win this exact copy of Spring, my very own personal copy of Spring, then all you have to do, as always, is make sure you're subscribed to the channel and get 5 of your friends to subscribe too. Then just send me a DM on social media to show me that your friends have subbed, and I will choose a lucky winner at random in next week's episode of Fuller and post this to you completely for free wherever you are in the world. Now let's dive straight into the performance. Say hello, welcome to another episode of Fuller.
Hello.
Such a gimp. I'm going to show you something using this solid ring and this spring. So go ahead and check out the ring. Confirm for the audience at home that it's nothing but a ring. It's actually one of your earrings. It's not. It's not.
It's totally
It's
not. Yeah.
Good?
Solid, yeah.
Yes, and a spring.
Yeah.
That's the interesting object. Now, you can actually get the ring on this spring. It's kind of like a keychain, so you can
Oh, I see. You can
thread
just thread
on.
it through.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and it takes ages, but aside from the ends there, be the eyes and the hands of the audience, confirm there's no other way to get it on.
Well, no. It's a spring.
Good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
This is going to be so weird to watch. If I take the ring and the spring, I'm not going to do anything weird, okay? Watch. 1, 2. Just like that. It links on. Never would see that.
What?
You can actually check it out.
It is on it.
Oh, I mean, like, for real, hold it up to the camera. Show everyone, like, it's
Oh
actually
my god,
linked
it's
on.
actually linked on. Like,
But try it as hard as you can to get that off. For real.
well, you just pushed it on. Hold on.
You could do that. But watch. Go back, right?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Convinced?
Yeah.
That's actually nuts.
That's crazy.
When you think about it. Like,
You just put it on.
yeah. So I'm going to try this. Let's do it this way. Cup your hands out underneath it. We'll try and do something for everyone at home to see.
I'm trying to work it out.
1, 2. I dropped it.
Oh!
But it linked completely unlinked off. No holes, no slits, nothing on there.
How do I do this then? How do I
Try
do this
as
then?
you may.
Hang on.
Try as you may.
How do I do this then?
But you are a magician's wife.
Yeah.
For anyone that hasn't seen this before, I want you to really try to figure out how to do this.
Well, it's not on, but it's on.
The easy way is you just do this.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and it links on.
Yeah, super easy.
It's super easy. It can't come off.
Oh, for God's sake.
But like, all right, legit now. No camera stuff. We never do.
Oh.
But try to unlink that without unwinding it. It's literally impossible, isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't that good?
That's so good. I love things like this. Do the little... Ready?
Just cut it
Ready?
off like that.
Oh. Oh my gosh, it didn't even... He just went... Huh, there you go. See? I can do it too. There you go. Just have to hold it like this.
Yeah, but I could just literally take that off.
Yeah, I know.
See, it's not just over there.
Oh.
All right, okay, so let's jump straight into it. Did it fool you? Are you fooled?
Well, yeah, because I can't do it, and I can't...
It's an interesting one. I don't do magic like this very often.
No. Oops.
It's okay. Sorry. There we go. While you're down there, love.
Hey,
Sorry.
Disgusting. I like it. I do like it. You know, I like things with other objects.
Yeah.
And not cards. This is a good one. And it's making me think, oh my gosh, how do you do it? There's got to be... It's like an impossible conundrum, you know?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a possible impossibility.
Implausibility? No. Isn't that just mental though? Like when you think... Okay, so it's fooled? Fooled?
Yeah.
It's not my effect, so be honest. The creativity.
I've seen different versions of this, with similar things. Creativity, I'd probably give it maybe a 4. Yeah, probably a 4 because I mean,
I think it's super creative.
Other than having, yeah, but also you've got to think, oh look, I'm carrying a spring round. You know, if you're going to perform it.
No, but like creativity-wise, like to take a spring, to be able to work that out, someone to come up with that.
Well, yeah.
Pretty crazy. Because like genuinely, it is what it is. It's just a normal spring and it's a normal
I've seen
ring.
a lot of like the linked rings. I can't do linked rings. I can't work that out. I can't ever work linked rings or something like that out. But I've seen things like that, and this is quite similar.
Yeah, okay.
So that's why I give it a 4.
Okay,
it's
no,
not
fair.
It's not
fair
you
comment.
know, it's,
Entertainment.
yeah, amazing. 5 because I'm involved. I get to have a go. I get to inspect it all, and
That's what I love is that you can inspect that until your heart's content.
just can't get it on there.
It's weird, isn't it? It's such a strange piece. Bonus point.
I'd say no bonus just because of the. Maybe actually put it on there again.
Yeah. Isn't it mad?
I wouldn't give it a bonus point just because of the creativity thing that I mentioned with the linked rings and the similarities.
You've seen something like
things
it.
like this before, so
That's fair.
I know things like this can happen.
But I love
Just
this.
don't know how they happen.
What I love about that is that it's real. That is linked on there now.
And I can see that it's linked on there because the only way I could get it off is if I unthread it around this bit here.
Mm-hmm.
So if I did turn it like this, but then that's... Oh, no. It's still linked on.
Has that made it more fooling for you?
Yeah.
It's great.
I thought that was just going to come off as well.
It's so good, isn't it?
Yeah. I think I've messed it up now.
No, look.
Oh, yeah, you can
You
get
just
it
keep
off.
twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting. Until you
It's
wanna,
crazy.
Until you want to...
It's crazy.
Ready? Drop it.
It's
You
mental.
all see that?
It's got to be where your hands are placed.
No, it's
surely.
not. Look. It is what it is. That's what I love about it.
I like it because
It's
it's
so good.
It's so simple, but then it's so annoyingly confusing.
Yeah, that's the beauty of it. It's just simple, direct magic.
And it's definitely linked, and I can't get it off. So annoying.
Okay, so this isn't my trick to teach, but I am going to reveal it to Kayleigh, and you're going to see her reaction to the method.
Okay.
All right?
Can I have a go? When you...
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, I just messed it up, so...
No, you haven't messed up. Okay.
Okay.
This is the method, Kale.
Okay, go.
That's...
Ah,
What? Go on.
I know.
Go on.
You put it through the hoop first and then put it on.
What do you mean?
So... That's linked.
No, it's not.
Ah! So I had the method
No,
then?
no.
Oh, well. Right.
Not linked, yeah?
Yeah.
Hold that still.
Yeah.
Hold that still.
Yeah.
Watch this. Hold tight.
Yeah.
Linked.
That method is crazy. Oh!
Look at that.
Oh my god, and it's actually linked.
It's actually linked.
A simple move. That's so simple. I could probably do that.
So it happens.
So when you do that, you just...
Yeah, and then it's just about finding ways of making it look cool. So, for example, I was going to try and do this. Hold your hand up high in the camera zone. I was going to try and go like this. 1, 2.
No.
That's it. So perform it to me.
Oh no, because I can't...
Yeah, do it. Yeah, but just do it to me.
Really bad.
All right, look. Okay, I'm here. Hello.
Hello. Oh no, you put me on the spot.
Kayleigh
In front of
does
millions
magic.
of people.
Thousands live, come on.
Oh.
I'm not solving puzzles here.
Yeah, sure.
Right.
Ready? Oh, I can't do it. I'm really nervous now. You've made me nervous. 1, 2, 3. See? It's really good.
Hold it like that. Hold it like this.
I can't perform. This is so bad. Right. They can't see either.
Alright, okay.
Okay,
Well, you just drop it on. Just drop it on. Go.
Okay, go. Like that.
Yeah? And then I'm like,
And then-
wow. So from the top.
I'm so bad at this.
Go.
Oh no.
I can even hold that bit.
Ready?
Oh, no.
Go.
Yeah.
On there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Done.
I did it then.
That's it. Done.
Woohoo! My performance skills need some practice, I think.
And then to unlink it,
You do the same thing, but
be
the other
like,
way around.
hold the spring.
Yeah? No, I didn't even say that. And I now know how to do it.
What do you think of the secret?
The secret I love. Because it's really simple. And I know for a fact that everyone in the world tries to work out these types of tricks, like the linked rings, obviously the ring on a spring. But knowing that is so... It's just one little thing that you need to know. And that's it.
And
And everyone's like, oh my gosh, I can't do it.
you spent a solid couple of minutes trying to figure that out, and you know
Yeah.
a fair bit about magic. Yeah, so I think some people might be unconfident to perform this, but after seeing it
If
firsthand,
you practice, I think if I practice, I don't have
not so much
skills.
I think
but-
I think what people are nervous of is they're nervous of getting caught with a secret. But
Yeah.
after experiencing that firsthand, I think you would be pretty 100% certain that you ain't gonna.
Oh no, because if you do, once it's linked, they can inspect it. It's not going to come off there unless they take it off properly. And then the only other thing is you can just misdirection and then take it off like this. Or go out a shot so you do the move.
Hope you all enjoyed that. Performing this actually give me some more clarification and confidence that it's just as good as it's supposed to be. I was kind of thinking how the method may be too transparent. Like magicians, when you get to a certain level, there's like a dip, right? And at a certain point, you think like the crosscut force is not fooling and you won't perform it until you realize as you get further on that it's incredibly fooling. It's one of those things. It's just a bit of affirmation for me just how powerful pieces of magic just like this really are. So if you want to be in with a chance of winning my very own copy of Spring Then Again, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit that big fat subscribe button down below, and get 5 of your friends to subscribe too. Then just DM me on social media to show me that they've done that, and you'll win this very own personal copy of mine shipped to you completely for free wherever you are in the world. So come back here Sunday live at 5 for the Sunday session. That's 5 p.m. UK, 9 a.m. California. And we'll be back every Tuesday, as always, for Tutorial Tuesday. Until next time, folks, I will see you in the next video.